Hello. I am your host for Animal Jam Cheats.
My cheat is a secret color. If you click to decorate your character and click by the sickly shade of green, you will get a really pretty raspberry color.
My cheat is a membership. If you get on only January 1st and enter the code BANA and a banana, you should get a free membership.
My cheat is codes. Explore 2012 Feast and Spooky Gecko. Not all codes stay forever.
And my cheat is a dip. Never say bad words on Animal Jam. You could get suspended.
Last thing. Pouncin Tiger 20 on YouTube needs any information you know about Animal Jam. Send her videos or just comment Animal Jam stuff.
I will help Pouncing Tiger 20.
Me too.
Yes, I will send her a video or comment.
Anyone want to know who will win the election? Animal Jam will.